Guys, ngathola le ntombazana iyangithithela namadoda ayi more than 10 without a condom. Just imagine bemchamela nami ngimchamela. Just imagine kubuchamo kuyiwoyo yomchamo. Just kukhanyelwana strong. Just imagine le ntombazana leya ngiyibhejela ngiyenzela yonke into ngiyinika transport uthi hambe esikoleni nginika konke kodwa ifeba kunjalo. Ungizibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani ngalamantombazane kanti kwenzakalani ngawo. I don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani ngamantombazane. Le ntombazane bengiyenzela ama-homework nama-assignment la yonke into ade yifuna. Just imagine kodwa bechita regardless, bechita ngimnikeza imali, everything a woman could ever ask for bengimnika le ntombazane kodwa belala lamadoda regardless. Sukuthi iqiniso bethi once asifebe always asifebe. Namntwana njana ngamthola vele wangitshela ukuthi ne-history obufebe, ngitshela ukuthi vele uyekile ubufebe kanti akayekanga ubufebe. Wangitshela esinye istory wathi warishwa amadoda, warishwa i-first breaker yakhe, wambreak ubuvijini and then wabiza namajita wakhe ukuthi bambhebhe kuthiwa umnandi. Vele yena umnandi vele kukaki iyabamba strong. Kukela mntwana bomnyoba ivele istake phakathi ipipi la staka istake azachame. Yabona uyachama. I think wangishaya mangithi bekade yena the first guy ukumchamisa. Yes, mina ngidume ukuchamisa vele. Amex amazokutshela. Ngidume ukuchamisa. Athi I'm the first guy ukumchamisa. Kunamanga loyana. Kunine feba ngaka. She's not like we virgin. Hayibo ujwayele ukuchama le ntombazane. Hayibo. Amantombazane azowenza so. Amantombazane befela ama-assignment akhe. Wonke ama-assignment akhe bathola 0. Namanje usasekulesa sikole lesa ngamshiya kuze college. Just imagine. Ngizwa ngabangani bakhe bathi usafunda lapha. Hayi bathi ngimsize. Ngimsiza kanjani umuntu wangihlambalaza wangihlisa isithunzi nesidima nepride. I can't help such a person, man. Yo, ngeke wangithuwela ntombazane wangitrainisa wathi uzongifakela i-protection order. Hayi yabona abantu abantwana nesiwachamelayo ni lokho sibhizi sithi hayi sabathanda no those things. Bavele babona into abantwana boyithanda kakhulu ivele ubona ukuthi isilima lesi and khona amanje ade laba na embhebha avela athi gcoka uhambe bocitha kumnyoba bathi uhambe. Kodwa mina bengenza sure ukuthi uyadla uhambe esuthi la endlini afike endlini la alale angasazi nakubo. Kodwa khona amajita ade lala nawo for free emchamisa strong engamniki even ne2 slice yesinkwa. Just imagine amadida cruel kuye kodwa mina nginice kuye kodwa yena wathi ngiphatha njengoduti. Just imagine amantombazane isibindi esingaka. That's why I'm not entertaining about our relationship anymore. This kind of nonsense that we enzakalayo. That's why women love abusive men, those guys abashaya impama nje kusend. Yibona abathona the most. That's why awuchira bala South Africa bathanda ama-Nigeria. Because badedele emalini and ababamba umshini futhi abekho desperate ama-Nigeria. They know ukuthi there are a lot of women in demand. In demand ama-Nigeria manje afunwa phela i-Nigeria is every woman's dream. Iphupho la yonke umuntu esifazane e-South Africa i-Nigeria because badedele emalini bayothenga ama-champagne bayenza yonke into mara ngeke bakufundele ibhizinisi yakho uyintombi ngeke bazokubhebha bakuchamisa kuphela and ababhebhi i-Nigeria lekubhebhi ayi-1 ufuna ukubhebhisa uyobhebha amadoda ayi-10 for 100k bazolokuchamisa kushaya imbobo into enkulu shaye uthi ubuyela kubantu base-South Africa lingazwakani nakumzulu uhambe uye kulabo basele impompo. Yabona ngibona bazongena kahle le people kukakizwakale-ke ubuyisa isithunzi-ke because once yavuleka kakhulu kuthatha isikhathi ivaleka or isavaleka at all especially ukuyilenda kuyithi futhi at least siyavaleka. Hayi mantombazana Why niso mantombazana? Hi guys, fundani girls, be smart, educate yourself. Yekela indaba zokufeba. Yekela ubufebe girls, yekela ubufebe. Without a condom, niyami nifeba without a condom. Anisebenzisi condom. I don't know why ningayisebenzisi condom. Sebenzisani condom. Azothi umuntu hayi iyavaleka ikuku yami noma sokuthiwani iyavaleka. That's not to ufebe. Yelani ukufeba guys, yelani ukufeba. Hey madoda. Just because iyavaleka ikuku yakho, so utshela ukuthi wena some magical ikuku yakho. Hayi. Mantombazane yelani ulokuzana entertain into ezibhedayo. Please subscribe on the channel. Support guys. We are approaching 700 subscribers now. Thank you so much. Yeah, more stories are coming.